In front of me is VIVO V40 SE, and today I would like to show you how you can apply Apple layout on this Android. Begin by opening Play Store and downloading Launcher OS app from Launcher Studio. When it's ready, go into Devices Settings and scroll to Hid Apps. Then click on Default Apps, tap on Home app and apply Launcher Pro by clicking on it. As you can see, after a couple of seconds, my launcher was successfully applied. To make some changes, go into Launcher app, and to go back to your default launcher, just go into the same settings and click on System Home Screen. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!